Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special friend. Janie is here to show us how to make the famous pecan pie. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. You will need the following: 1.5 cups of pecans, 105 grams of butter at room temperature, 1.25 cups of cake wheat flour, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 30 ml syrup, 3 tablespoons of caster sugar, 2 ml salt, 10 ml vanilla extract, and 125 grams of melted butter. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius.
Throw the flour, the caster sugar and the butter in a bowl for the crust, and you just mix it all together with your hands. If you mix it all through and you can press it together with your hand in a bowl, it's ready.
Add the batter into the prepared baking dish and press it into a crust. Ensure that the crust covers the sides completely. This will prevent the filling from sticking to the sides. Cut the nuts into smaller pieces. Add the pecans into your prepared dish.
Mix all the rest of the ingredients together with a whisk. And lastly, you add the filling on top of the pecans.
Bake for 30 minutes. Remember that even if the tart is done baking, it will still be a bit jiggly. It will only firm when it has cooled down. The tart will be firm. Thanks for watching today's video. There's a reason why this is such a famous pecan pie. Thank you, Janie, for showing us how to make it. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.